My shower routine is my favorite part of the day. Instead of using a rag, I use an exfoliating towel. My go-to is Sima's Japanese exfoliating shower towel. It's made of organic bamboo fiber, giving your skin gentle exfoliation. And unlike other exfoliation towels, this does not irritate your skin. Exfoliating your body helps collagen production to promote radiant, soft, glowing skin. I do not stop hearing how soft my skin is. There's body washes out there that have exfoliating properties, but chemical exfoliants can damage the skin. Physical exfoliants like Sima's Japanese towel is always a better option because you can control how much you exfoliate without damaging your skin. I'm out of the shower, nice and moisturized. It's time for me to get into my skincare routine. Tonight is gonna be pretty simple because tonight is my exfoliation night. So I skin cycle, I exfoliate one night, use retinol another night, and then the other 2 nights of the week are just my normal skincare routine. With today being my exfoliation day, I wanted to get into how Sima not only has the exfoliation body cloth, but they also have an exfoliating face cloth. Okay, this face towel is made with the same bamboo material as the body towel, and this face exfoliator is perfect for exfoliation days. Exfoliating helps your skin absorb skincare products better, and it also evens out your skin tone. When it comes to my exfoliation days, I double exfoliate, if that's a thing. So I use an exfoliating cleanser, and I also go in with my Sima exfoliating cloth. This exfoliator, like this face wash that I use, is actually interesting because you put it on and you put it on to dry skin and you just rub it into your skin. As you're rubbing it in, it's exfoliating your face, and what you're supposed to do and what the directions say actually is you put it onto dry skin and then you remove it with a clean cloth. So instead of removing it with a damp cloth, I always use this exfoliator, and my skin comes out like chef's kiss. You'll see. And when you are exfoliating your face, like, the reasons for exfoliating is not only to get the dead skin cells off of your face, but to also give you a fresh start of renewal and a fresh start of new skin cells coming in and helping any hyperpigmentation that you may have, any uneven skin tone that you may have, any texture you may have. I'm the person that always say, what do I say? If you watch my skincare videos, you already know, exfoliate, 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 okay? Because it's going to give you that glass skin. It's gonna give you that texture-free skin. It's gonna give you that poreless look. Like, you have to add exfoliation into your skincare routine for you to just get the overall glowy look that you're looking for in your skincare routine. I already wiped my face with the Sima exfoliating face towel, but this face wash is very interesting because instead of it saying like, oh, like wash your face, it says to, I don't know how, I'm forgetting what it says, splash your face with water 10 to 15 times. Tried and true is the Sima gentle face cloths. I love using face cloths in my skincare routine. I used to use rags to wipe my face, or I used to have like a you know those face towels? I used to have a face towel right next to this mirror, and that's what I would wipe my face with. And I found that I was using that almost every day for like a week before I went and like threw it away. And I noticed that my skin just didn't give, like it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. And I found that when you use a towel for your face, it accumulates bacteria, and that bacteria sits on your towel and then you're putting it right back on your face. So using something like this that is disposable. You throw it away after you wipe your face. It's 100% cotton, it's biodegradable, and it's just something you use to dry your face. And you know that every single time you clean your face, you're cleaning your face with something that is clean and something that is not going to put any bacteria on your face. Just whoever came up with these, genius. After I put on all of my skincare, I put on all of my creams, all of my oils, the last step in my skincare routine is putting on my LED mask. Y'all, if you do not do red light therapy, blue light therapy, green light therapy, get on it. Get on it. Especially if you want your skin to look bomb all the time. If you're interested, I could do another video getting in-depth on red light therapy, blue light therapy, green light therapy, and just the benefits for the skin and why it's such a good thing to use. But I like to use it every other day in the week, and I like to put on my red light. So I am about to get this red light therapy going and chill for the rest of the night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I talk to you soon. Bye.